What if I told you that becoming truly wealthy isn't about having millions in the bank, but about reaching a point where money becomes completely irrelevant to your daily decisions? Today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that transforms ordinary people into individuals who never think twice about money again. Most people chase wealth the wrong way. They focus on accumulating dollars instead of building systems that generate dollars. They work harder instead of working smarter. They save pennies while missing opportunities to make thousands. But the truly wealthy operate on an entirely different level. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how their minds work and how to adopt their strategies. The first concept you need to understand is what I call wealth immunity. This isn't about having enough money to buy anything you want. It's about creating such robust income streams that your expenses become mathematically insignificant compared to your earnings. When you reach this point, you stop checking price tags, stop worrying about market fluctuations, and start living in true financial freedom. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your monthly passive income exceeds your annual expenses. Suddenly, working becomes optional. Suddenly, every purchase decision becomes effortless. Suddenly, you're operating from abundance instead of scarcity. This isn't fantasy for the ultra-rich. This is an achievable reality if you understand the right principles. The wealthy think in terms of systems, not goals. While most people set goals like saving $50,000 or earning six figures, wealthy individuals build systems that make those numbers inevitable. They create multiple income streams that work independently of their time and effort. They invest in assets that appreciate while generating cash flow. They leverage other people's time and money to multiply their own resources. Here's where most people go wrong. They believe wealth is about restriction and sacrifice. They think rich people got there by skipping daily coffee purchases and driving old cars. But the reality is exactly opposite. The wealthy became wealthy by increasing their income capacity, not by restricting their spending. They focused on earning more, not spending less. The foundation of never worrying about money again starts with what I call income multiplication. This means creating situations where $1 of effort generates multiple dollars of return. Traditional employment gives you linear income. You work 1 hour, you get paid for 1 hour. But wealthy individuals create exponential income streams where their initial effort continues paying them indefinitely. Real estate investment exemplifies this perfectly. When you purchase a rental property with proper financing, your tenants pay your mortgage while you build equity. Over time, rents increase, property values appreciate, and your initial investment multiplies. One smart purchase can generate income for decades while requiring minimal ongoing effort. But property isn't the only path. Building scalable businesses creates similar multiplication effects. When you develop a product or service that can be sold repeatedly without proportional increases in your time investment, you've created exponential income. Digital products, online courses, software applications, and membership sites all represent ways to sell your knowledge once and profit repeatedly. The stock market offers another multiplication avenue through compound growth. When you invest in quality companies or diversified index funds, your money works independently of your time. Dividends provide passive income while share appreciation builds long-term wealth. The key is understanding that market volatility becomes irrelevant when you're investing surplus income rather than money you need for survival. Understanding tax optimization transforms your wealth-building speed dramatically. The wealthy legally minimize their tax obligations through strategic business structures, retirement account maximization, and investment timing. Every dollar saved in taxes becomes another dollar available for investment. This isn't about aggressive tax avoidance, but about understanding and utilizing the tax code's legitimate advantages. Business ownership provides the fastest path to wealth immunity because it combines income multiplication with tax advantages. Successful businesses generate profits that exceed owner compensation while creating valuable assets that can be sold. Additionally, business expenses reduce taxable income while potentially improving your lifestyle. A business vehicle serves business purposes while providing personal transportation. A home office reduces your housing costs while supporting business operations. The wealthy also understand leverage in ways most people don't. Financial leverage allows you to control large assets with small down payments. Knowledge leverage lets you profit from information others lack. Network leverage connects you with opportunities and resources beyond your individual capacity. Time leverage enables you to profit from other people's efforts through employment or partnerships. Here's a crucial mindset shift that separates the wealthy from everyone else. They view money as a tool rather than a goal. Money becomes a means to acquire assets, fund opportunities, and create more money. This perspective eliminates emotional attachment to spending and enables rational financial decisions. When money is abundant, individual purchases become insignificant compared to overall wealth building. Risk management becomes essential as your wealth grows. Diversification across asset classes, geographic regions, and income sources protects against catastrophic losses. Insurance products safeguard against liability and unexpected expenses. Emergency funds provide stability during market downturns or income interruptions. The wealthy protect their downside while maximizing their upside potential. Building wealth immunity requires specific milestones. First, achieve expense coverage, where your passive income equals your monthly expenses. This milestone means you could survive indefinitely without working. Second, reach lifestyle inflation immunity, where your income growth exceeds your spending growth. Third, attain investment immunity, where your investment returns exceed your annual expenses. Finally, achieve complete financial immunity, where multiple income streams independently exceed all your financial needs. The timeline for reaching wealth immunity depends on your starting point and growth rate. Someone earning a median income might require 15 to 20 years using traditional investment approaches. However, combining business ownership with real estate investment can compress this timeline to 5 to 10 years. Individuals with exceptional skills or timing might achieve wealth immunity even faster. Education becomes your most valuable investment because knowledge creates opportunities that money alone cannot. Understanding financial markets enables better investment decisions. Learning business principles helps you identify profitable ventures. Developing valuable skills increases your earning potential. The wealthy invest continuously in their knowledge because it provides unlimited returns. Networking accelerates wealth building through access to opportunities, partnerships, and resources. Wealthy individuals surround themselves with other successful people who share information and collaborate on ventures. They attend industry conferences, join professional organizations, and maintain relationships with lawyers, accountants, and financial advisors who facilitate their success. Here's something most wealth-building advice misses. Psychology plays a massive role in achieving wealth immunity. Limiting beliefs about money prevent many people from pursuing wealth-building strategies. Fear of failure stops them from starting businesses or making investments. Imposter syndrome convinces them they don't deserve financial success. Overcoming these mental barriers often matters more than knowing the right strategies. The wealthy also understand that wealth building is a long-term process requiring patience and persistence. They don't expect overnight success or get discouraged by temporary setbacks. They understand that compound growth accelerates over time, making early years seem slow while later years produce dramatic results. This perspective helps them stay committed to wealth-building strategies even when progress seems minimal. Automation becomes crucial as your wealth grows. Automatic investment transfers ensure consistent market participation, regardless of market conditions or personal emotions. Automated bill payments eliminate late fees and credit score damage. Business process automation reduces your time requirements while maintaining service quality. The wealthy systematize their financial lives to minimize decision fatigue and maximize consistency. Creating wealth immunity isn't just about personal benefit. Financial security enables you to support family members, contribute to causes you believe in, and take entrepreneurial risks that could benefit society. When you're not worried about money, you can focus on creating value for others rather than just surviving financially. The compound effect extends beyond money into all areas of life. Financial security improves relationships by reducing money-related stress. It enhances health by enabling better healthcare and reducing anxiety. It increases opportunities for personal growth through travel, education, and experiences. Wealth immunity creates positive cycles that improve every aspect of your existence. Remember that wealth building is a skill that improves with practice. Your first investment property teaches you lessons that improve your second purchase. Your first business venture provides experience that increases your next venture's success probability. Each financial decision builds your judgment and confidence for future decisions. The path to never worrying about money again isn't mysterious or reserved for a select few. It requires understanding the principles that create exponential income growth, implementing systems that generate passive cash flow, and maintaining the discipline to reinvest profits rather than inflating your lifestyle prematurely. Most importantly, it requires starting now rather than waiting for perfect conditions or complete knowledge. Your financial future depends entirely on the decisions you make today. Every day you delay building wealth is another day of remaining dependent on linear income and vulnerable to financial stress. But every step you take toward creating multiple income streams and building assets moves you closer to complete financial freedom. The wealthy you never have to worry about money isn't just possible, it's inevitable if you apply these principles consistently over time. Start building your first income stream today, reinvest your profits wisely, and watch as compound growth transforms your financial reality forever.